denn für eine Pfeife?
Erwischt. Er ist tot.
Officer verletzt!
Selbstzerstörung aktiviert.
Set it off, get it off, let it off like a gat. I wanna bring food, cop me back. Small change.
Meta powers poisoned his mind and made him kill your brothers.
You cheated.
They say I'm different 'cause I'm
Don't shoot! I give up! Drinking
To the end, I grapple with thee from the bottom of hell's heart.
We pray at night for the helpless. Hoping to get us through breakfast. Wishing somebody come save us. Black lightning back, come to shock the haters. Woke up in the ghetto, need our hero back. Guns clapping, gangs active, like where we at. Black lightning need to strike, like where we at. Show us another way besides these guns and crack. Nighttime suit up, this for payback. This our Superman, Robin in the back. Step back, you might get shocked off of contact. This was for the hood, this for being black. We ain't got no hope, they killing every day. I mean, we need you in every way. We need results, we don't need to see your face. he come just to say the day. Here he come just in perfect timing. To help the needy and got the blinded. Last night I saw a superhero, he was black. He said, this is for the street, Black Lightning's back. We pray at night for the helpless. Hoping you get us through breakfast. Wishing somebody come save us. Black Lightning's back, come to shock the haters. Hey, no lie, I seen it with my own eyes. Electric shocking guys put them all in line. About time somebody came down here and dealt with crime. Not just the gangsters, the police is out of line. So it's no trust, they don't understand our trouble. I don't know him myself, but do we come from struggle? Cause I'm like no superheroes around here, bro. I'm like, he gotta be one of us. Gotta understand the hate and the distrust. Restore the feeling, put the love in us. My partner say I'm high, I must be smoking something. I said, you're right, I know the change, I know I'm feeling something. Stand up for something, or fall for anything. Lightning came with no rain. I saw a superhero last night, he was black. He said, this is for the hood, Black Lightning's back. We pray at night for the helpless. Hoping you get us through breakfast. Wishing somebody